Okay, this video I want to talk about something that's really simple, really quick, and kind of cool. So, hang on. Okay, so today I want to talk about a figure eight. You can use these are for rappelling. I'll do a video on them later, but you can use these for hunting. So you go to the store and buy a slingshot. You just tie it on both ends, like this replacement bands for a slingshot. You tie it on both ends, both sides of here, and you can shoot rocks out of the big part and just hold on to it and pull back. Or you can flip it around and shoot arrows out of the little part. So it's really simple. They're like $20 maybe. So if you rock climb a lot or want to add something around that nature to your kit, there's a quick and dirty way to turn that into a hunting implement. And the basis around survival is all about multifunctionality. So the more things you have a purpose for it, the better off you are. So that was just my quick thought for today. Thanks.